Alright, here's a video to show the proper operation of the receiver, attenuator, and preamplifiers on the Tokyo High Power HL-350Vdx VHF linear amplifier. We're going to test this with Ken with mobile radio. Okay, right now we've got, let's see here. Yeah, we'll give it about an S9 signal or so, S9 plus, okay? You'll see here the amplifier is set to off on the receive function. We're going to put the attenuator on. You can see the attenuator drop the signal down. I've got to increase my signal generator some. You'll see that's the attenuator on, attenuator off, on, off. Now I'm going to give myself a weak signal. There's a very weak signal. Now we're going to check the preamp. 6 dB. Okay. Now we're going to go 15 dB. 15 dB. So off, attenuation. Back to off, 6 dB, 15 dB. Back to off. So there you have the proper operation of the Tokyo High Power receive preamplifier and attenuator circuit.